Welcome to the chapter on environmental engineering. This field focuses on protecting and improving the natural environment through the management of water, waste, and air quality. In this chapter, we will cover the basics of water treatment, waste management, and air pollution control. In this chapter, we will explore water treatment, waste management, and air pollution control. These are essential components of environmental engineering that help in maintaining a sustainable and healthy environment. Water treatment is the process of making water suitable for its intended use, whether it be for drinking, industrial processes, or returning it to the environment. The main stages of water treatment include coagulation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Coagulation involves adding chemicals, known as coagulants, to water to neutralize the charges of particles, causing them to clump together. Common coagulants include aluminum sulfate, also known as alum, and ferric chloride. After coagulation and flocculation, the water is left to stand so that the heavy particles, known as flocks, can settle to the bottom. This process is called sedimentation. The water then passes through filters made of sand, gravel, and charcoal to remove dissolved particles such as dust, parasites, bacteria, viruses, and chemicals. Finally, disinfection is used to kill any remaining pathogens. Chlorine is the most commonly used disinfectant, but ozone and ultraviolet light are also effective. If a water treatment plant needs to treat 1 million gallons of water per day and uses chlorine for disinfection at a concentration of 2 milligrams per liter, the amount of chlorine needed per day can be calculated as follows. The formula is amount of chlorine equals volume of water times concentration. Substituting the values, we get amount of chlorine equals 1 million gallons per day times 2 milligrams per liter times 3.78541 liters per gallon. This equals 7,570,820 milligrams per day, which is approximately 7.57 kilograms per day. Waste management involves the collection, transport, processing, recycling, and disposal of waste materials. The main types of waste include municipal solid waste, hazardous waste, industrial waste, and biomedical waste. Municipal solid waste, or MSW, includes everyday items discarded by the public, such as packaging, food scraps, and paper. Effective MSW management involves source reduction, recycling, composting, landfilling, and incineration. If a city generates 500 tons of municipal solid waste per day and aims to recycle 30% of it, the amount of waste to be recycled can be calculated as follows. The formula is recycled waste equals total waste times recycling rate. Substituting the values, we get recycled waste equals 500 tons per day times 0.3. This equals 150 tons per day. Air pollution control involves reducing emissions of harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. Common pollutants include particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and volatile organic compounds. There are several methods for controlling air pollution. Particulate control involves using filters, cyclones, and electrostatic precipitators to remove particulate matter from emissions. Gas absorption uses scrubbers to remove gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from industrial emissions. Catalytic converters are used in vehicles to convert harmful gases into less harmful substances. If an industrial plant emits 100 kilograms of sulfur dioxide per day and installs a scrubber that removes 90% of sulfur dioxide, the remaining emissions can be calculated as follows. The formula is remaining emissions equals initial emissions times 1 minus removal efficiency. Substituting the values, we get remaining emissions equals 100 kilograms per day times 1 minus 0.9. This equals 10 kilograms per day. Environmental engineering plays a crucial role in ensuring sustainable development and protecting public health. By understanding and implementing effective water treatment, waste management, and air pollution control methods, we can mitigate the adverse impacts on the environment and improve the quality of life.